Good day, gang. Mustafa here. Hope all is well. Today I'm going to talk about team alignment and how it can affect your business and what we could do to improve it and make the team more aligned and go from there. So most businesses don't have an aligned team, and what I mean by that is the owners, the managers, and the staff are not aligned. They don't know really what they're working towards and what they're aiming for. That creates confusion, that creates frustration, it creates politics, backstabbing, and it costs the business a lot of money, a lot of time, and resources to go through an unaligned team. So there's more headaches for the owner, for the managers, and everyone else. Now, the number one reason that happens is the fact that the business doesn't have a clear written goal as to where we're going and what we're trying to do this month, this quarter, and say this year, and what we're aiming for in the next 3 to 10 years for the business. So I'd say over 90% of businesses don't have that. And so what happens is the team is misaligned. Now, an easy way to fix that is to bring the team in on the planning phase, if the company has a planning day or phase, and have them understand the plan, have them understand the goal so that they can contribute to the goal and work on it together. For example, the goal for the company could be that we're trying to reach out and get 2,000 new customers or patients this year. Now, let's say that we want to add $3.5 million to our sales, and we want to try to get the average patient value this year up to $600 from $450 or $500 that it is right now. Now, what we could do is, if we're running a planning session, we could bring the team in. First of all, we will let the team know that here's the goal, here's where we're trying to go this year, here's what we're trying to achieve this quarter and into the next 90 days. And so they know where we're going, so we're all going there together, and it's clear and we have a focus. And then we can ask the team members and say, hey, here's the goal, here's what we're trying to do, figure out what you can do to contribute to the company achieving and reaching its goal. Now, another side of the story is, once you bring them in on the planning session, on a planning day, and a few things happen. One, you tap into their wisdom and their potential and in their skills and to their mind, and have them help you build the plan, build an action plan, and be part of it. Now, what happens when you bring your team members in is now they're part of the plan, now they own the plan, and they are a lot more likely to take action on it because, one, they understand it, two, they were part of it, now they own it, and they are more inspired and motivated to act on the plan that we created together. Now, what happens most of the time is an owner or a manager goes out and reads a book or attends a workshop or watches a seminar or a webinar or something, comes back and says, hey guys, we're going to do this. And the team looks at him and goes, no, we're not. And so the team is not aligned. Why? Because the team was not watching the content that the manager or the owner just went through to understand and be part of what's happening. Now, the owner or the manager is going to have to spend a lot of time to try to persuade and motivate the team to act on his new plan. The easy way is bring them into that course, into that seminar, into the planning session, and have them involved in there. So that's what we do in our quarterly planning workshop. We spend a day with the team to plan for the next 12 months and create an action plan for the next 90 days or for the next quarter, so we know exactly what we're trying to achieve, what is our action plan. We work on building a strategy for the company and all the goodies that come along with that. To learn more, click on the link that I'm going to leave in the comments below and learn more about our upcoming workshop and see how you can benefit from that. This workshop would be really, really, really beneficial for you and your business. It will give you clarity, and it will give the owners, the managers, and the staff members confidence and self-esteem, because now we're all one team. Now we are pursuing the same thing and we understand it. Anyway, check it out. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll make sure to get back to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button. And if you feel like someone in your network could benefit from this tip, share the video with them and we'll go from there. See you later and have a great day or a great evening. Bye now.